Look at Vino.
Vino gon' cook up beat Mr. Pretty.
Nigga, I'm undefeated. Streets ain't beat me, the police neither. I ain't got no sympathy for nobody ignoring when I'm teaching. I ain't no motherfucking preacher. I'm more comfortable with demons. I spent whole weeks in the beat of stinking. Out here, I ain't leaving. Call my baby like I need you. Bag a ball up all in pieces. Lethal injection by the needle. I ain't forcing nothing on my people, and they ain't forcing it on me neither. We both addicts, so we equals, and I feel them. Addicted to some shit that might just kill them. Fuck permission or forgiveness. It's my hand, I ain't the dealer. Try and teach my little one focus, cause it's easy, forget the mission. And the difference is in love and loyalty and commitment. And to give it if you getting it, cause it's rare when you start winning. When you a real street nigga, barely smelling pictures. Dog life living, going all out to get it. You a shooting star wisher, all night spinner. On permission, sitting in the trench trying to get rich. Trying to get rich. Foreign car whipper in the church trying to get rich. Shooting star wisher in the church trying to get rich.
Fuck, yeah, that's her.